Okay, so can you use 3D Experience within CATIA V5? Let's take a look at the following command. So we see over here that within CATIA V5 version R 2022, within the workbench there is the 3D Experience option. So this is the question: do I need to have a separate license for running 3D Experience, or can I simply log in to 3D Experience? So the problem is that you will need a license for 3D Experience. So I summarize this over here. So as you can see, it does integrate that within CATIA V5 R 2022, but that doesn't mean that you can use 3D Experience. There are two different solutions. So even though 3D Experience is, let's say, designed on top of CATIA V5, you will need to have access to the 3D Experience platform. So that's mostly this aspect. So that integration is called the CATIA V5-3D Experience Connector. And you can transfer files from CATIA V5 to 3D Experience, but again, you will need to have access to the 3D Experience platform. So you or your company will need the entitlements positioned to be on top of your CATIA V5 license in order to also have access to 3D Experience. So keep that in mind. This is why 3D Experience is a big deal, and they will make this transition from CATIA V5 to 3D Experience. And most likely CATIA V5 will be slowly abandoned. For example, I'm not using it anymore since I have access to 3D Experience. But in some cases, like my last video regarding the 3D cut feature, we saw that CATIA V5 still is quite powerful, and I find it a lot more easier to work with since I can swap workbenches easier. I already know the workflows within 3D Experience, even though they market it as it's an easy switch from CATIA V5 to 3D Experience. In reality, it's not that easy because they changed the overall user interface, and it's a lot trickier to see exactly where all those elements that you used to know within CATIA V5 will be located within 3D Experience. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. I'm gonna position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.